In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make $100 per month on Instagram without spending any money at all. This video is for one of my subscribers who asked me how to make money on Instagram, $1,000 per month without spending any money at all. He had two pages, one for memes, one for dogs, and both pages have about 5,000 followers or more organic followers. So I don't have that much followers. I grow in my couple of Instagram pages, but he had it. But I'm going to show you how I do it in order to make money from Instagram. So in this video, I'm going to show a couple of ways, that proven way that you can make $1,000 or more on Instagram without spending your money at all. So I'm going to show you entire strategy in this video. Before we get into the video, if you are new to my channel, subscribe, press the bell icon. Don't forget to like our videos. If you want to win a £10 PayPal money, watch the video until the end. Also, we make videos on money making, money saving and tutorials. We upload one video every other day, so don't forget to subscribe and like our video. Okay, there's a three proven ways that you can make money on Instagram. First, influencer. Second, affiliate marketing. Third, growing your personal brand. I'm going to talk about how you can make money on each of the section without spending any money at all. First, influencer. If you have the organic followers, for example 10,000 or 5,000 or 16,000, whatever, but if you are getting a good engagement, for example you post in a post, each post getting around more than 200-300 likes, if you have a 5,000 to 10,000 followers, which is good engagement. So what you can do, you can offer your service at influencercard.com, where you can offer your service for money. So for example, you can see these influencer pages on dogs natures, right? So he had a 79,000 followers, but he's offering for $8, 68,000 $5, and you can see you can't make much money if you have less than 10,000 followers on this influencercard.com, but still you can offer a service. For example, you can say I have 5,000 plus followers and getting good engagement rate, because they're saying here, you can see they have 149,000 followers. They charge you $10 for the post. United States is main traffic, but they can guarantee you a 100% success rate, because some of the page are buy followers. They buy both the followers in order to offer the service on influencer card. So you can't predict how much likes and follow you're gonna get when you get their service format, because I did it in the past. There's a one page for fitness. There's a 2.5 million followers, so I paid $25 for that. I get 0 follows and 0 likes for my post, because majority of the followers are they bought the followers in order to do the offers, in order to do the service here. Then I find out each post they're posting getting around 70 to 80 likes with the 2.3 million followers. So you have to be careful with that. Or you can do you can offer the service here, but you have to understand one thing clearly. If you want to make $1,000 per month, divide that into simple tasks in order to achieve. $1,000 is a big money for everyone. So if we divide by 30 for 1 month, each day you need to make around $35 in order to achieve that target. So simplify the target that you can achieve it easily. So here you need to make $35 for each day on your Instagram page in order to grow your Instagram. So first way is become an influencer. So you can offer the service website like influencer card, and you can charge within $4 to $5 because you have a 5,000 followers, or if you have more followers, then you can charge more money. Then you can negotiate with that. This is one way. The second way that you can do make money on Instagram is by asking smaller Instagram account to promote their content. Basically, for example, if take this account have a 4.9 million followers. So if you have a big account, for example you have a 5,000 followers, that if you find a smaller account in your niche, so for example there's a new account have 100 followers, that you have 5,000 followers, you can DM them and ask them to promote their content for 24 hours for certain money. For example, you can see I will this post will get around 200 to 300 engagement. So engagement mean likes and comments. So you can charge them $10 to post their post for 24 or 48 hours. The smaller account will do, because they want to grow their account so fast. If you have 5,000 organic followers, That means they will like the content you're going to post. You can tag them. If they will go to the smaller account, like, comment, and follow them. So you can do that manually, so you don't have to go to influencer card website or any other website. Just you can DM them lots of smaller Instagram account and ask them to promote their contents. So, and then they will, couple of them will answer. You can negotiate the price, and you can do the influencer way in that way. So in influencer method, you can't make $1,000 per month if you have a smaller Instagram account. In order to make $1,000 or more, you need to have the followers more than 1 million, so you can do influencing post every single day, that you can charge 20 or 30 or 50 dollars for that. But if you have a smaller account, you can go this way, but you can't achieve that $1,000 mark every single month. So there's a second way that you can go, is with affiliate marketing. So the second way is affiliate marketing. What you have to do, you have to find affiliate product on your same niche. So this person is doing dog and meme, two separate pages, but we can't do affiliate marketing with meme page, but we go with dog page, right? So if you go to ClickBank, on the search bar they search dog and filter by gravity. This is the #1 product people recommend on the dog niche, that you can say the gravity is 178, which means 178 people promote that, and they made a sale using this product. So this product is about training your dog. So if you have a dog niche, this is the best affiliate product, and you can see the price is $31.63, which means you can achieve the mark $1,000 per month if we are able to make one sale per day. So 31.63 cents you can get paid when they sell the product. So this means a 75% commission. So the actual product is around between $48. So is people can buy that, afford that product. Is not about 100 or 120, but is only around $50, under $50. So they bought the product, you're gonna get 75 commission for that. If you're able to make one sale per day, you can achieve the $1,000 mark easily. But again, don't spam the your affiliate Instagram page with affiliate links and product, because your audience won't like that. So what you can do is you can post like regularly, and you in your bio section you can put this link and ask them, you can just put them, this is the best dog training program ever, so something like that, and you can put the affiliate link. But remember that you can't straightly put your affiliate link. So if you click this promote button, it will give you affiliate link. You can't post that directly into Instagram will block that. So what you have to do, go to website like Linktree, where you can create a small landing page for Instagram. So for example, if you click add link, you can add the titles or best dog training program, then you can put your affiliate link and it will automatically get it here. Then you can copy this URL and put it on the Instagram, so like a landing page, but it's free to use it. So you can add multiple affiliate posts. This is my landing page for my fitness page. You can see a couple of products out there, so you can do it in this way. This is a second way that you can make money. And if you can do it properly, and if you can able to make one sale per day that worth around $31 or $35, that you can achieve $1,000 mark every single month without spending any money, because affiliate ClickBank is free. Just click promote and get the link and promote it on your Instagram page. This is the second way. The third way is building your brand. It's like you can, like any other page, you have to build your own brand in this way, that you can promote your own product. You don't have to have money to create your own product. First, you can start with print on demand. Print on demand is a website like Redbubble. You can upload your own design here, and whenever people come click and buy it from it, you get commission for that, like a royalty fee. You can Redbubble get organic traffic every single day, but you can promote your own product on your Instagram page, because you have the Instagram page with more than 5,000 followers. So you can promote easily on that, and you can get commission. So for example, if I can show my Instagram, this is my one of a fitness page. I didn't promote and I didn't post this content for a very long time, but I want to do that again. But you can see on my bio section I have the link. There's a two section is for affiliate product here. This is the one I promoted my print on demand t-shirts from Redbubble. So I create a simple design. I'm going to show you how you can do that, and I promote it on here. You can see I promote this my design here. This t-shirt is selling for 14.96. I will get commission £2.50 or $3, $4 for each sales, which is not bad. But when you can accumulate more sales every single day, you can achieve $1,000 mark every single month. You can see here what you have to do, go to ClickBank. So go to Redbubble and search on dog niches, right? Type dog and filter by best selling. These are the products selling the last weeks or last days. You can see these are the best product. These are dog graphics. This is actual dog t-shirts are here, and t-shirts. And you can see if you go to Redbubble again, type meme pages, you can see these are the meme characters sold recently. So it's so if you click there and click best selling, you can see which of the meme designs sold recently. So you can just copy and make that easily. So you can see this is about office. You can see there's these meme pages or meme designs are selling every single day. So what you have to do is you can create a free account with Redbubble. I already made a video, so I can link it out. You can go and find it out. What you have to do, you can go to Canva and create a free design. So for example, if we go to Canva, click create design and type t-shirt there. They give already pre-made t-shirt templates and everything, so you can just copy and paste it, and that's it. Just download the design, upload into Redbubble, put the title, tags and description, and leave there, and you can promote it on your Instagram, and you can get sales from Instagram page, from your followers, and organic from Redbubble. And the trick is uploading more contents on Redbubble. Like your Instagram, you need to upload more designs, otherwise you can't get sales or you can't find organically. So for example, if I type dogs, let's see what happened. What kind of dog designs? These are actual dog images, right? So I paste it here. You can see you can enlarge it if you want. And if you click this one called print t-shirt, it will show you a live mock-up for your t-shirt. You can see this here, so you can go back and change the different t-shirt colors, and if you want, you can change to large men, and you can see the different designs are here. Actually, this mock-up, you can use it to design your t-shirt, download that in a PNG format, upload it in Redbubble, then you share your shop page. This is one of my Redbubble account here. I don't want to hide everything, guys. Transparency is here, so you can just copy this link. Okay, you can see these are my couple of design here. Then you can go to Instagram, directly post it in the bio section, so whenever people come click, they can click on buy your product from there. So as you can see, I just promote my design on my here on news feed here, so whenever people click it, if they're interested, they go to Redbubble and bought that. Or you can go to Amazon merch, you can join with them, it's free, and you can repeat that factor. So this is how you can make money. So it's a simple video. I want to make it clear. So you want to make $1,000 per month. What you have to do is simplify that into each day mark, so that you can achieve, so you don't have to think about this is a big task. $1,000 per day per month is equal to $35 per day. So you can only worry about is making $35 per day on Instagram. So the three ways that you can make money on Instagram: first is influencing marketing. So you're gonna promote others, post others contents in your page, and you get paid for that, but you get paid less if you have a less followers. The second one is affiliate marketing. Find the specific product, high paying product. My recommendation is between $20 to $50. So anywhere between that is good product to promote that. Find the product and promote it. So if you can make one sale per day, then you can achieve $1,000 per month target. The third one is you're building your own brand using Redbubble or Teespring or any other print-on-demand service. Create the basic designs, upload there, promote it on Instagram page, and whenever people click and buy it, you can make commission from that. Again, this is the you can make $1,000 per month on print on demand. If you don't have more design, you need to upload more designs. If you can make say for example, if you can make 10 sales per day, each of them pay you $3, so you can make $30. So again, you can achieve $1,000 mark every single month. This is how you can make money on Instagram, basic and simple. But in order to do that, you need to have followers on Instagram. You can't do that with 100 followers. You need to have more than 1000 followers, so in order to get good engagement, so whenever you post a content, people can engage with the post and take action with it. But I recommend grow your Instagram page organically. Don't buy followers, and don't do that all other illegal stuff, because your Instagram page won't go on that way. Thanks guys for watching, and see you in next video guys.